Okay, hopefully this works out the way because I had to stop because something got interrupted. So, but anyways, so well, yeah. So this record right here, it's already trashed anyway, so I don't really care what happens to this whatsoever. But I gotta at least do something, which some people might think of this as like a miracle, though. Which, yeah, technically is. And I know Shrago066, he did some miracles himself on some of his videos, which I was actually completely amazed. Anyways, but if anybody actually wants to check out more when it comes to like stereo equipment and TV repairs and more stuff like this, I would definitely check out those two guys, Radio TV Phononaut and Shrago066, because to me they do some amazing videos, and I watch a lot of Shrago066, and he's kind of like a really good inspiration, at least to me, for when it comes to repairing stuff. Even though he does like a lot of TVs, but the tube things really get me interested though, and he does good content. So keep up the good work. But anyways, on to this part, and I'll let you listen to this. It's gonna sound terrible, so but you'll see. Yeah, as you can see, it sounds really, really, really bad. Crap. Didn't even do that. Anyways, I'll test it out with another record here. Um, let's see here. I can't use the A side for this one, but I'll use this one here as well. This is that Frankie Lane and the Teenagers. Please Be Mine. This is the same single, if anyone knows. Why the Fools Fall in Love is on this side here. But of course, this, as you can see, this thing is completely trashed, as you can tell, and also it's got a crack. Yeah, it's right there. I basically hang on to records like this because they're like misfit records, and anytime I can actually use one of these, I'll use it for like testing out turntables or jukeboxes, and so that way I don't go destroying something. I can destroy something that's already destroyed. But yeah. So anyway, there you go. There you go. So, a cheap RCA turntable from probably somewhere around the late '60s, early '70s when they started getting into solid state stuff. Because this is what this is. So, but it's back up and going. It's not the greatest. It definitely would need a different cartridge, since this one it's got damaged because I put some heat to it, and it sounds terrible anyway. But what can you do with this thing? It's not going to really sound all that great anyway. So, but that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.